I am worried about climate change.
I'm working on something that will better the environment.
I've never had this experience before.
What interests me about the vehicle is how fast it can go.
You know, as an engineer, I'm going to have to learn how to deal with all the electricity, and this is giving me a head start of, oh, I know what volts and amps and ohms are.
The Switch electric vehicle program provides a type of hands-on learning that you can't get in any other classroom experience.
The Switch vehicle allows us to give a hands-on, realistic, authentic experience that the students, we're not sitting in a classroom talking about electricity, we're applying it with our hands, seeing it with the meters, and then eventually, hopefully, we get to actually use it to drive a vehicle that's pretty fun to drive.
Students have a full-size, street-legal electric vehicle that they are allowed to take apart throughout the year and put back together.
This project does feel different from my other classes. We're working on a totally different part of our brain. Like English, we're writing. Here, we're connecting wires, we're participating, and it's definitely a lot of group work.
Sonoma Clean Power is invested in this program because we believe in the future, and we believe that the Switch EV program is a great way to see that future come to life with students and their classes.
We face a lot of climate change problems right now. And to be honest, we need the younger generation to come up with new and creative and innovative ideas on how to solve it.
But working on projects like the EV car, it really gives students like me a vision of how we are going to tackle these problems.
Today's students are going to be essential in coming up with new innovations and inventions and ways of tackling the climate change problem that we have.
The Switch electric vehicle really just inspires the students and the teachers to really think outside the box on how they're learning. Students are allowed and encouraged to be creative and be innovative. And in doing so, they're going to fail, and that's okay.
They're not getting a teacher to just talk to them or only have to read. This is a hands-on physical project that not only they're going to have some failures. It's not all going to work perfectly the first time, and they have to work together to find that problem and fix it, and that is much more the real world.
When I've seen kids get really engaged, it's because they're engaged with something that's real and something that gives them agency, and the Switch EV program gives them both.
Whatever I end up doing in my future, this class has really helped me and given me a strong foundation for the future skills that I may need.